All right, guys, happy Friday. Today is July the 17th. We're out here in the Cortland's battle in of Buckhead. This is the apartment condo unit that hired me about 2 years ago. I was able to save a floor. They were so impressed. They sent me about maybe 1 to 2 units a month. So I misread my email. I thought I had 1 unit today, but we actually have 2 units. We have 1104 and also 1134 that we're going to be doing. So it's our same process, engineered floors, which cannot be sanded. So this is going to be an engineered floor screen recoat, always color correction, and recoating. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going at 1104. All right, guys, so this is the first unit we're going to be doing. As you can see, the veneer from traffic starting to break from the floors, but this is easy peasy right here. See right here, we've had some that was way worse, and I will be honest, guys, I've done a few where I wasn't happy with it, but they were, because the reason why, they said, Courtney, we rent these places out, so we're not expecting perfection. And the price that I charge them, I give them a flat price of just $1,500 per unit. And that, because in order, they've already told me, if they had to replace this floor right here, they're looking at between $6,000 to $8,000. So when you do the math, even if it doesn't come out perfect, it's a huge difference in the price. So that's what we're gonna do. I wanna start screening. Just sent Tavares back to the truck to get some more stuff. So we're gonna do 1104, and then once we're done with 1104, we're gonna go down to, yeah, this is 1104. We're going to go down to 1134. 1134, and again, same issue. A lot of the veneer has come off. Got a scratch right there. Got some veneer breakage right there with some water damage. Usually always in the kitchen area where there's water. The refrigerators, you can see right there, here. Also, they have this little area right here. It's the first time I've seen this. And then here. All right, guys, so this is 1134. A little bit here. All right.
Yeah. Hey. You know what they call when the mess too big? Clean up, man. I'm the clean up man. Walk in, fix it quick, leave clean again. Whole floor shining, yeah, gleam again. Talk down now, but they need me then. Clean up, man. Big boss moves when I creep through. Whole squad looking like a replay. When I step down, everything brand new. Pulled up slow, all black truck, bass hit hard, whole block shook. Everybody talking, don't line tough till I walk in and they all look. Got the buffer humming like a race car, money coming in like a bank car. Old flows dead, bring life back, make a broke flow look like a superstar. Big dog talk, I don't argue. Real ones move, they don't bark, dude. Whole lot of fake in the game now, but the real still stand when the dark move. Wax gone, dust gone, whole room hit when the lights on. Clean up man with the gang strong, whole city know what I'm on. I'm the clean up man. Walk in, fix it quick, leave clean again. Whole floor shining, yeah, gleam again. Talk down now, but they need me then.
This is unit 1104. Look at the transformation. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. Now I'm about to go down to 1134. And then go do this last consultation. Beautiful. All right, let's go down here and look at 1134. Beautiful. All right. All right, guys, and 1134. And wow, look at that. Now I will say here, and I ain't caught them, but the maintenance man have tried to do color correction on these boards, and like they use paint. You see how dark that board is? Because a few times I screened it, and when I screen it, it comes up, the powder is brown. So you see all this right here, guys? You might can't tell the difference, but someone tried to color correct this. Probably the maintenance man. Oh yeah, that's beautiful too. All right. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. We are off for the weekend. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one. That's what you said, yeah.